Hey guys, Gerald here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to make money online on Fiverr in 2021. Now, Fiverr is becoming saturated. A lot of gigs like logo design, writing of articles, building websites and all that is becoming saturated. Like right now, if you go on Fiverr and search for how to create logo, make a logo or something about logo, you're going to see thousands of results, which means that there are thousands of people, thousands of gigs, looking for those customers that are looking for logo design or design, graphic design and all that, right? So that is not a niche that you should be focusing on to make money on Fiverr as a beginner. Now I'm going to be showing you what that niche is in 2021. From now and 2021 and beyond, that's a niche that you can actually start create a gig on right now, right? And you're going to start making sales immediately because the demand is high, but the supply in terms of number of gigs on Fiverr right now is very low, right? So I'm going to be showing you, going to my screen right now to show you that gig, and show you exactly how you can set it up and how you can fulfill that order. So let's go to my screen. But before that, I want to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Give this video a like and leave a comment in the comment section. Just say thank you, Gerald, if you're getting value from this video, guys. If you're getting value from this video. So I'm going to go to my screen right now and I'm going to show you exactly how to make money online on Fiverr in 2021. Let's go, guys. So guys, if you don't already have a Fiverr account, what you need to do is to use the first link in the description box below and set up a Fiverr account, right? That will give you $25 bonus, I think. That will actually help. You can actually use it to buy stuff on Fiverr, right? So that said, what you need to do is to set up a Fiverr account. You see an interface like this, and you see join now. Then you put in your email address, hit continue, and do all that. There's a video showing right here. I will guide you on how to create a Fiverr account, right? If you don't have one already, there's a video. This video showing right here will help you to actually do that. So once you've created the Fiverr account, you need to set up a gig. Now the challenge is knowing the gig to actually do setup. That is where the big challenge is, right? Because a lot of the popular kind of gigs are saturated, which is why I'm going to be showing you exactly the kind of gig that you should create, right? That you can actually make sale. And let me show you guys something. If you search for logo design right now, you're going to see something interesting. I'm going to open this in a new tab. You're going to see that there are 125,000 services available, which means that if you create a gig on logo design right now, you'll be competing with 125,000 other persons or other gigs created before you who has better reviews, right? More reviews, top rated sellers, and all these guys, and they are way up there and you are way down there. So your chances of actually surviving becomes more difficult. Now, you can actually go into a lot of other gigs and see that they are all saturated. I'm just going to hit Fiverr. Then I'm going to look at something, just suggest something, WordPress design, right? You do a WordPress website, you come here, you see 3,000 services available. So if you create a gig right now, you'll be competing with these 3,000 persons who have reviews already, who have a lot of things, right? So it's gonna be an uphill for you, an uphill, a very steep hill for you to climb. So, but right now I'm going to be showing you a gig that you can actually set up right now, and you are going to start making sales immediately. It is not saturated. You're not going to be competing with a lot of persons. And even if you say you are creating let's say social media content, let's say we are creating social media content, right? This is also saturated. It has 132,000 services available. So you'll be competing with this over 100,000 other persons, if you want to actually do this on Fiverr. So now the big question is, what is this gig that you can create? What is this big gig that you can create to start making money on Fiverr right now when there is less competition? Like a lot of people are not doing it. So the chances of you actually succeeding become very high, and the supply is actually higher than demand. Basic economics. So let's look at subtitle. Subtitle. Now I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do this even if you don't have a skill. So this gig actually has just 2,000 persons, 2,000 gigs on it. And as you can see, the demand is very, very, very high. Especially right now, a lot of persons are making videos and all that. So you can do video captions, and all this. And I understand the fact that you don't have the skill, which is why I'm going to be showing you the tool that can actually help you get this done. Now, before we move forward, I want to encourage you to hit subscribe button and give the video a like, leave a comment in the comment section and say thank you, Gerald, or something like that. Okay, once you've done that, now we are going to go to showing you this tool that I can actually use to add subtitles to videos. Now, but the whole idea is that people make videos and they want to add subtitles to their videos because, of course, a lot of persons like reading it and everything. And you're going to be using SRT files, even for movies or CCs. Now, if somebody gives you a video that is very long, now let's look at let me look this one as an analysis, to actually begin to look at how much these guys actually do make selling this. And I'm going to be showing you where you can actually put it, get it done for you, and you just submit to Fiverr. You're not doing anything at all to actually, like get this done. So this one says, I will add professional sync subtitle or captions to your video. This guy has over 1,000 reviews, right, and selling for $5 for basic. Standard is 15 and premium is 20. So let me do the math with the 15, which is the standard. I multiply by 1,000 reviews. That's about $15,000 on this gig alone. $15,000 selling captions alone on Fiverr.com. So this is something that you can actually do, right? You can actually, something that you can actually do. Now this person has 600 in queue, and his standard is $10. So 600 multiplied by 10, that will give us 6,000. Yeah, $6,000 at the minimum. That's what this person has done, and he has 2 orders in queue. Now, from experience, any gig that has orders in queue is actually doing very well, right? So you can do this. I'm going to show you exactly how you can actually get this done right now. So let's jump right into how you can do this. So there is this tool called Subtitle. This tool right here is going to help you get this done immediately. So what you need to do is to use the first link box below. It's going to bring you to subtitle.com, right? So you just okay, it's opening up. All you need to do is to just once you are here, click on sign up for a free account and create an account. Now let me walk you guys through the whole step of creating an account or subtitle. So yeah, you're just gonna put in your email address and everything that you need to do and set up an account. So I'm just gonna do that right now because this is gonna be a step-by-step tutorial on how to make money on Fiverr in 2021. We are thinking about 2021 already, and it's important for us to plan because I've understood that the failure to plan life is actually the plan to fail, guys. Okay, so we are here. So I'm just gonna put in my email address and choose a password. Choose a password. Oh, and sign in. No, this not. I'm supposed to sign up, not sign in. So I'm just gonna hit sign up. Then put in my name, my email, and choose a password. Choose a password. Then hit sign up. Right, sign up, and I'm signed up right here. So yeah. So this is a getting started video. That you want to give a getting started video. This video helps you actually understand how this thing works. So what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm gonna leave. Okay, yeah. Once you log in, you're gonna see this video, right? So and this is exactly how it works. So let me just remove this. So all you need to do is to add your video. So I'm just gonna add a video right here, right? Add a video to show you how this thing works. So I'm just gonna find one of these my videos that's very short. This is 36 seconds. Yeah, let me use this. I'm just going to upload this video. So you see the video is uploading right here. Uploading. So we're just going to wait for you to upload and we add subtitle to it. So you guys will see exactly how this thing works. So what happens is that when a client gives you a video on Fiverr to subtitle, you just upload it right here and let subtitle do the work for you guys. It's very simple. Then you now give it back to the client without you doing a single job. That's how it works, right? But let me walk you guys through it. Don't click off right now. You're going to watch the video to the very end for your own interest. You understand? Because there are some tips and tricks on how to actually get this thing done. It's not a garbage in, garbage out kind of thing. So just stay with me, guys. So it's done uploading. It has extracted the audio file. Now it's transcribing the audio by itself, right? So it's playing this video in the background, listening to it. It has listened to it. Now it's transcribing this video and trying to extract the audio file for this video, right? So you see what it has done? It has listened to my video and it has given me, it has transcribed everything that I said in the video. Pretty simple. It is that easy, guys. That easy. So if I play this video right now. Hey guys, Gerard here. So you are looking to make money. So you see what is it? So you just need to fix some of these things. Hey guys, Gerard here. So I'm just gonna fix this. Gerald here. Okay. So I'm just gonna click right here again. Go back and click. Do this. Hey guys, Gerard here. So you are looking to make money online? Well, I've done it. How does $40,000 a month sound? That's exactly what I did with my computer sitting here at home. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I did it. Now, let me go to my screen and show you some proof, because I'm not like those other gurus that will tell you. So you guys see how amazing this is, right? So you can basically take a video, put it right here, and bring it out again, give it to the client, and you are done. You've made your cool money without doing anything, basically, right? So you don't need any skill to do this. You don't need, like to start designing Photoshop and everything. No, you don't need that, guy. You don't need that. So everything is done for us, right? You can add a headline if you want to, and change the name. If you want to do that, you can actually style it. The headline, let me say, Gerald's video, right? I can add change the font, right? If I want that. So yeah, if I want that, you can change the font and everything. You can change how it appears in the beginning and the end, everything. You can actually move around with this. You can even add a logo, right? I can add a logo. No, I want this to be here. You can add a logo if you want, and the logo will appear somewhere on the video and everything, right? And you can even add progress bar like this. So what the progress bar does is, let's see what this progress bar does. I'm just going to take this for the beginning. Okay, so I'm just going to play this. So you see the progress bar moving. Hey guys. See what it does? So it makes your video kind of more professional, right? So you can actually go the extra mile of adding progress bar for the client if they want that to do. You don't want you to do that for them, right? You can put it in your standard description. If you want me to make a video on how to create a gig for this kind of this a gig for this on Fiverr, let me know in the comment section, and that would be my next video. If enough people actually want me to make that video, then that's going to be my next video. I'll create a gig on how to make a gig for subtitle or caption gig on fiverr.com. Now let me know if that's something you want, and I'll do it in my next video. So what you need to do is that once you have done this, you see we did this in just like 5 minutes, right? Or even less. Then come here to download and render and download this video, right? That's all you need to do, right? You render and download this video, and this video is downloaded to your computer. This video is downloaded to your computer. That's exactly how it works. Now, there are things that you can actually do also. This video is transcript. You can view the transcript. You can even download the SRT file, which is the subtitle file, and give it to the client, individually. Or you can email this to your email and get it out and send it to the client, or however you want to do it, right? So that's exactly how this thing works. Guys. Now, let's go to why this is rendering. Let's go to pricing. I'm just going to open pricing in a new tab. Pricing. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do so I don't interrupt. I'm just going to open subtitle on my and go to pricing right here, so I don't mess with whatever that is happening right here, the rendering of this video. So I'm just going to open the pricing tab, so we see how much they charge for this thing, and the free version, and that's why I say you should be very end, so that you don't get stuck up somewhere, right? So we are here right now, and it's loading. So okay, so we are here right now, and as you can see, it's loading. So as you can see the video is loading right here, and if you look at this place, you see that there's a free trial that gives you access to just one video, right? Which is what we just used right now. So if you have a lot of clients and you are paying just $19 every month, right, to just get this done. Let's say you are charging $10 for a 60 seconds video, right? You are going to break even. So 60 seconds video for $10, and if you do 10 in a month, that's $100, and you are paying just $19 every month to actually get this thing, to make this happen. Now, if you have a lot more clients, you can go for the elite version, which costs $49 every month, which gives you access to 30 video. And you can actually pay either monthly or annually, right? So you decide the one that you want to go with. Now, okay, this is still rendering. I wanted you to finish rendering so that we can see exactly how this thing works. So you can email this video to my email address. So once it's done, I hit here and it emails the video to my email. So just download it and give it to a client, and you are done. That's how to make money on Fiverr in 2021, guys. How to make good money on Fiverr in 2021. So you see that the video is done, right? It's done rendering. So I just click here to download, and once I click, it's downloaded here. So if I open this right now, I'm just going to open this right now on my computer. Let's watch it. Just right. Hey guys, Gerard here. So you are looking to make money online? Well, I've done it. How does $40,000 a month sound? That's exactly what I did with my computer sitting here at home. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I did it. Now, let me go to my screen and show you some proof, because Now, imagine if I had to pay somebody on Fiverr to do this for me, right? Because that's what I would have done if I didn't know about this too. Like, there's a lot of persons like me right now who are making videos and don't know about this too. They'll come to Fiverr and find you to actually do it for them, right? So, yeah, that's exactly how to make money on Fiverr in 2021 without having to spend any money or without having to, like that any skill at all. Yeah, that's it. So that said, okay, so what you need to do to get started is just go. This is what we just did right now. So you just hit subscribe and pay with either PayPal or your card, right? Whatever payment method that they accept, you just pay them and get this thing started. So you can start making money on Fiverr easily, right? So this is one of the gigs that is not saturated. It has a lot of potential, especially in 2021 when everybody's going online, making videos, video adverts and everything. This is where you can actually do make a killing in 2021, guys, right? And it is as it is in my nature. I find out things that actually work. I come to this channel and I show you exactly what I did and the result that I produced, right? So you can go ahead and get that same thing done. So like I said earlier, if you want me to make a detailed video on how to create a gig for this particular stuff on Fiverr, let me know in the comment section and I will make that video as my next video, guys. If I see you in my next video, keep winning and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. It's bye bye from here, guys.